Hey, what's up, you guys? We're out here taking some shots with my car. Before the meet, we're gonna go to the Legends Media meet with TJ Hunt. I guess T-Fox stuff's gonna be there, all that stuff. I don't know, we're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go stop by Target, get some stuff to detail my car. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven, get some drinks, and then we're gonna head over there. We should be there like in 45 minutes. Right now it's 10:20, so we should be there for sure before the meet. But we'll see you guys there. We're gonna take some shots. We're gonna do some rolling shots as well, and then we'll be there. Hey, what's up, you guys? I just finished detailing the car. You can see it back there. Looks pretty clean. Now we're out here. Got the toy for the toy drive. Legends Media. So let's check this out. See how this.
Ooh, I like that green.
Yeah, that one's pretty clean. And look at all these things. Look at that. Oh shit. Hey, dog, one in the back. Look at that. They're in the lot. I don't even know I'm gonna fit back there, bro. There's a lot of them, dude. Yeah, that's fucking clean. Oh, fuck. Damn. Here come all the nice cars now. Damn. Check that out. Yeah, that's fucking clean. Oh shit. Whoa. Yeah, he knows better. That's 2000. Got Tanner Fox's warehouse right here. It's fucking clean. I know, I seen him. That's fucking awesome, dude. I'm excited to meet TJ too.
There's Tanner Fox.
Yeah, you didn't see him?
No, I didn't see him.
Hey, he's right there. I'm nervous, bro. I got it. What's up, man? How you doing, man?
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you
Right
too.
now? Is this
Yeah,
the
I'm vlogging.
vlog?
Yeah, it's Dustin,
What's up,
guys.
vlog?
Say what's up.
We're here at the Legends Media Toy Drive Car Show, having a good time. If you didn't make it, you missed out. What was your name?
Jacob.
Jacob. Everybody, take a second right now. We got to do the call to action, okay? Take a second right now. Everybody's gonna scroll down, subscribe, and like your channel.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Thank you. All right, guys, I'm fucking nervous. I'm about to meet TJ Hunt. The last time I ever seen TJ Hunt was out in Ontario 2 years ago, 2016. That's when I had my Mustang. It was all wrapped. I wanted to meet him. I couldn't. They shut it down. It's fucking crazy, man. What's up, TJ?
What's up? How you doing,
Dude, I'm psyched to meet you. I haven't seen you since like Ontario in 2016 when they shut down the meet.
Someone else said.
That was
like,
fucking.
That's a long time.
Dude,
ago.
that's fucking crazy. I've been following you since you had like 100,000 subscribers, and now you almost 2 mil?
Yeah, dude.
That's fucking nuts, guys.
Kinda nuts.
Yeah.
I appreciate
All right,
you
guys,
coming
TJ,
out, man.
No problem, man. I wanted to see you. Thank you so much, man.
Of course, man.
Take a picture?
Of course.
Awesome. Thank you.
I like your sweatshirt.
Well, thank you, man.
Awesome.
Thank you. Oh, dude. Thank you, man. You're such an inspiration, dude. You made me start vlogging and everything. She got your.
I know. I saw it.
Yeah. You have a Sharpie?
I do.
Can you sign it?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. It was mine, but I gained a bunch of weight.
You always have to
Yeah. Hey, look at that. Woo! Fucking awesome.
There you go, man.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Got Sabrina.
Oh, you got that OG sweatshirt on.
Yeah.
I see that. Oh, I don't even have one of those. I want one so bad.
I bought it right away when it came out. I bought it,
It's a good
and then
one.
I gained a bunch of weight, and then I gave it to her. You know what I mean? Yeah.
I know, I steal all his anyway.
Oh, that's awesome, dude. $10. Look, $10.
Pretty good.
Look, they're here.
All right, man. I'm gonna continue meeting some people. Hey, it was nice to meet you. I'll see you around. Yeah, sure. Absolutely.
Hey, Tanner, she's a huge fan, dude.
Oh, hi, nice to meet you. Come on.
Yes, good. She watches all your videos, man.
Oh,
she
no
loves
way?
it, yeah.
What's your favorite? You got a favorite?
She watched one in the backyard where you're doing a pond, and you know you're in your backyard doing a pond, and you filled it up with water.
And then it drained.
Yeah, and then that's what that got me into you. I was like, oh my god, he's crazy.
Oh, cool. Let's get a picture.
That's crazy. Yeah, I got you. I got it.
That's awesome. Where are you guys from?
San Bernardino.
San Bernardino.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Awesome, man.
You guys
Thank
got a
you so
vlog
much.
channel too?
Yeah, I'm barely starting to vlog, so I'm
Let's
getting
go.
into it. Yeah.
Let's go subscribe, guys.
Yeah.
Help us get to what are we at right now?
Like 5.
Everyone start somewhere.
Yeah.
Help us get to 10, guys.
Yeah, man.
Subscribe right
Me and
now.
Tanner Fox. Yeah,
Make it
thank
happen.
you. Yeah,
Make it
thank you so
happen.
much, man.
Let's go.
All right, nice meeting you, man.
Dude,
Thank
nice
you.
meeting you.
I met like majority of my YouTube like idols like on cars. So I met Dustin Williams. He's fucking humble as fucking super cool. He was like down to earth, man. Awesome. I met TJ Hunt. He was hella cool. He just, you know, he's just like, he's so big. It's crazy. You know what I mean? I've been following him since he had 100,000 subscribers, and like looking at him now, he got so much, and it's fucking crazy. But we're out here just looking at cars, just waiting for the raffle actually, because we got a ticket. So let's see if we win. I don't really know if we can, but we're gonna try it out. We're just checking out all these cars out here, guys. Damn, right-hand drive, huh? This is the right-hand drive one that came in, huh?
Yeah.
That shit's fucking clean, bro.
All right, so Top Rank donated a $250 Amazon gift card. So we're super appreciative. I want to say thank you to everybody that came out and brought toys. Like super good turnout. We're very thankful. We're gonna donate all the toys to kids in need. So
out here
thank you guys so much
doing
for
raffle.
coming.
Hopefully I win.
So the
'Cause I
winner
need to
of this
win.
one is 860, and I'm afraid this is gonna be him again.
No.
169.
Wait, oh!
I swear to God, I shook the tickets up. So,
Oh, damn. It's fucking sick. Yeah, dude. Yo, they got more cars out here now, guys. Check this shit out. Where's he at?
What's up, guys? What's up? I saw that. You guys fucking rolled deep. That's sick, man. I appreciate you guys coming out again. Sure. Yeah.
It's fucking awesome, dude. All the Subies out here.
It handles stuff like a buddy for a man.
Check this shit out.
Oh, it freaking just pulls all the way through every gear now.
How much horsepower does it have?
681 to the wheels, 619 torque.
Damn.
So about 800 in the crank.
Pulls, huh?
Yeah. You see the fuel do a Yeah, back there.
Oh, he's
He wants to do a roll. He wants to do a roll, but his is supposedly only like about 610.
those are R888s, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it hooks pretty
They
good.
hook really good?
Yeah. Second gear is still, like if you're on it, it still gets kind of a little
Yeah.
wobbly, but
Yeah.
not as bad.
Down. Pushing my 600, bro. It's fucking crazy, yeah.
Have 60. Just lights. Just for the houses. This thing is beautiful, man.
Ernie in his natural habitat.
I know, right? Look at Ernie all happy. That shit's bad.
It's like probably
That shit.
327 car.
And Ernie, you gonna buy it? Buy one, Ernie. It's a good family car, bro. Fuck yeah, this is clean. Yeah, bro, Ernie, do it, bro. That's high as fuck, but I bet that shit's fucking pushing hella hard. Shit.
Are you 25s on the rears?
Yeah? That's fucking clean. This is my dream car, bro. Like I would definitely want one of these. Hell yeah, I would want one of these instead of an R32. Yeah, this one's slow. Super, I think it's super slow. Yeah, come on. That's pretty slow. Oh,
This one's nice.
this is an EcoBoost.
Oh, you had EcoBoost too.
She's lying, guys.
EcoBoost.
She's just hating because my shit was fast. Hey, it's Calvin.
Hey, plug.
I was just talking about you.
Plug your Twitch.
Yeah, what's your Twitch?
Hey,
Give it up,
I don't
Calvin.
have a Twitch. I don't
you
stream
do.
on twitch.tv
You're
/Kuya Calvin. That doesn't
you're
happen.
lying. This is yours,
I
right?
gotta go park
This is
my
yours?
car over there,
Oh
man.
my god. How do you like it?
Oh, it's killer.
Yeah, it's killer.
Simple.
Is it cool if I get a picture with you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah? Take a picture. Hell yeah. Alright guys. What up? It's me and Calvin. What's up, man?
What's up, baby?
Been watching him for like ever.
That's a long time.
Yeah, for this a long ass time.
long time.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it, dude. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, you're a good mechanic, man.
Hey, nah.
You be doing all this stuff,
Nah,
man.
no, thank you.
Yeah. Nice car, bro.
Thanks, bro. It's clean.
Fuck.
Tell him to sit.
Sit. Come here. Sit.
Come here, puppy. Sit. Sit. Oh, you're so cute. Shake. Shake. Shake.
You just pop.
Paw. Paw. Paw.
Oh my
Oh.
god. You're so cute.
He's expecting a treat now, so you got.
Oh, I don't have a treat though. Oh, okay. That's right. Damn, that's a real dad right there. That's a real dad.
Here.
You're
Thank you.
good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there. Thank you. Alright, you guys, that was the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. It was an amazing ass day. Had a good time. We seen a bunch of cars. It was outstanding. It was awesome. I met TJ Hunt. That's like my idol, and Dustin Williams is my idol as well. And I met Tanner Fox too. I watch his videos. My girl loves him a lot. She met him. She was happy as hell. It was pretty cool seeing all these YouTubers and all, like everything they built. It's pretty awesome. Seeing all these cars that I wanted to see. You know, fucking sick, man. I met Calvin. Shout out to Calvin. He's fucking dope. He was super cool. You'll see him in the video. And yeah, it was a great time, man. I love like taking out my car so people could see it. I got front row parking. It's pretty cool. So now I'm just out here drinking a couple beers, having a good time. I'm with my girl's cousin. We're just chilling, eating, drinking. That's about it, guys. But thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and put the alert on so you can know when I post a video. And thank you guys so much. Have a good day.